Enjoy coming home to Legacy. Our pet-friendly community combines beautiful landscapes and wonderful amenities to create the perfect space for your lifestyle. You and your friends and family will enjoy rousing games on our sand volleyball court or spending time at our playground. Warm days can be enjoyed swimming in our sparkling swimming pool, and cool nights are perfect for soaking in our hot tub. Our picnic area has 4 high-quality grills so you can host summer cookouts. Our spacious clubhouse has plenty of options to keep you entertained, including a billiards table, shuffleboard, and a flat-screen TV. Our community offers 1, 2, and 3-bedroom floor plans designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. Your kitchen comes furnished with great appliances, beautifully finished cabinetry, and ample cabinet and counter space. A separate dining room and a roomy living space provide you with excellent areas for entertaining guests, and your private patio or balcony is great for an outdoor chat. Your home is supposed to be stress-free. That's why we furnish our floor plans with a built-in desk, laundry room with washer and dryer included, and plenty of extra storage. We're centrally located just a block away from the freeway and within walking distance of fantastic shopping centers, theaters, and restaurants. You're just a short commute away from the nearby universities, beaches, and downtown San Diego. Schedule a tour today and discover what Legacy has to offer.